Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and last week we have started with a new chapter, that was chapter number 20, articles. Okay, the use of a and the. Now children, as you all know that in my last video I have completed with 2 exercises of your textbook. So I hope you all have completed your textbook exercises, 2 exercises, and 1 exercise we will be doing today because it is a lengthy exercise and it is having 20 sentences. So today we will be completing our next exercise of the book, but before starting with the book exercise, I will again explain you the concept of articles, the use of a and the. Okay, so for that you have to pay a lot of attention, because it is a very important chapter, and it is the chapter in which you will get to know that how you will use a and the in the sentences. Okay, when you have to use a, when you have to use an, and when you have to use the word the. Okay, so for understanding all these small points and all these things, you have to watch this video very carefully children. And because it is a little bit gap when we have started this chapter, then after that we have again started with our literature work, so there is a little bit gap for you all. So again I am explaining this chapter, and then I will continue with the book exercise, last exercise of the book, and then from tomorrow we will be going to start with our notebook exercise of this chapter. Is that clear? So for that children, for understanding this chapter, you have to take out your basic English grammar and composition book, and then please turn to page number 61, that is chapter number 20, articles. Now as you all know children, I have explained it to you before also, that articles are a and the. Okay, now the words a and the are known as articles. A and are indefinite articles. You all know that indefinite articles means they are not definite, and a and are indefinite articles. Okay, the is called definite article. Now when we will use the is definite article, and definite article means जिसके बारे में हमें बहुत अच्छे से पता है, that is the definite thing of anything we know, that is definite. Okay, that means हमें किसी चीज के बारे में पता है, like the sun. अगर हमें sun के बारे में पता है कि रोज sun ईस्ट से राइज करता है और वेस्ट में सेट होता है, and every day the same thing happens, and from many years ago it is happening the same way. So we all know that this is a definite thing. Okay, and when we are talking about some place, some particular place, then also we will use the article the. Is that clear? So children, now we use a before words beginning with a consonant sound. अब हम a कब यूज करते हैं या a कब यूज करते हैं? जब हमारा कोई भी वर्ड अगर कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और उसका साउंड भी कॉन्सोनेंट आ रहा है, सो वी यूज द आर्टिकल ए, like a girl, a boy, a school, a temple, a toy, a banana. These all words are starting with consonants like G, M, D, C, W. Okay, all these are consonants. So the words which are starting with a consonant letter will always be followed by the article a. Okay, a girl, a temple, a banana, a doctor. Is that clear? All these words are common noun, as you all know. और a जिसके साथ भी यूज होगा, जिसके साथ भी आर्टिकल यूज होगा, that word is a common noun, and they begin with the consonant sound, and it means only for one thing, one person and one thing. Is that clear? A boy, a girl, a doctor, a nurse, a banana, a book, all these are denoted by one. A means denoting for only one person or one thing. Clear? Then comes the use of an. We use an before words beginning with a vowel sound. जो भी words हमारे vowel sound से start होते हैं, उसके संग में हमें an article लगाना है. Now, an egg. Why we have written an before egg? Because the word egg is starting from with a vowel E. Okay, an egg, an apple, an umbrella, an orange, an inkpot, all these are starting with the vowel letters. Okay, now again, an apple, an egg, an umbrella, all these are starting with vowels, so that is why we are writing an before these words. And they are also common nouns, and they are also used for one particular one only. Okay, all these words are common nouns. They begin with a vowel sound. All these words are only one. We are denoting only one egg, an egg. We are only denoting one orange, an orange. Is that clear? So this is the concept of using an. Okay, now coming to the third article, that is the. We use the before something definite or already known. Definite या already known, जो हमें पहले से जिस चीज के बारे में पता है कि ये चीज है, बहुत सालों से है. So that means it is a definite thing, and then we will use the article the. Read these groups of words: the sun, the world, the Bhagavad Gita, the Yamuna. All these things are, you all know that they are definite. The Ramayana is a definite thing because it is the holy book of the Hindus. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Okay, the Red Fort is a place. We all know that Red Fort is a place. It is a place, it is a fort which is made many years ago. It is definite. We all know that. The earth, we all know that we live on earth and it is a planet. It is a fixed planet, earth, the earth. Okay, so we will use article the with all these definite words. Is that clear? Now we have completed. I hope you all have understood this articles chapter. Now, as you all know that we have completed exercise A and exercise B in our textbooks. Now today we are going to do exercise C. Are you all ready? Listen to it very carefully, children. C exercise में हमें क्या करना है? Complete the sentences given below with a, an or the. Complete, यहाँ पे sentences दिए हैं with 1 or 2 blanks, and we have to complete these sentences by adding a, an or the. According to the word, we have to see that we have to use the article a or an or the. Clear? Now starting with the first sentence, dash sun is shining in the dash, in dash sky. Now dash sun. Sun is a definite thing. We all know that sun exists, is there, always existing there. So sun will be followed by the article the. So we will write the sun is shining in the sky, because sky is also definite. Is that clear? Coming to the second sentence, it is going to rain, take dash umbrella with you. Now umbrella word is starting with u, that is a vowel. So the words which are starting with vowels will always be followed by the article an. जो भी words vowel के साथ use होंगे, साथ शुरू होंगे, उनके साथ में हमको an लगाना है. Now the third sentence, do you see dash moon and dash stars in the sky? Now moon is also a definite word, so we will use the article with it, and stars are also definite, so we will again use the article for stars. Do you see the moon and the stars in the sky? Fourth sentence, I need dash piece of paper to write dash letter. Now piece, P-I-E-C-E, starting with P, that is a consonant, so we can write A here. We will use A. I need a piece of paper to write a letter, because letter is also starting with L, that is a consonant. Is that clear? Now the fifth sentence, you can catch dash bus at dash Red Fort. Now you can catch a bus, because bus is starting with a vowel. Bus is starting with a consonant B, so we use A with all the consonants. You can catch a bus at the Red Fort, because you all know that Red Fort is a definite word. Okay, so we will use the with Red Fort. Coming to the next, I would like to have dash egg for breakfast. Now egg is starting with E, which is a vowel. So with a vowel, we always use an. I would like to have an egg for breakfast. Now, dash Mahabharat is full of interesting stories. Mahabharat, what is Mahabharat? It is a holy book, okay, of Hindus. So we will use, it is definite word, so we will use the article the. The Mahabharat is full of interesting stories. Now, 8th sentence. Please shut dash door. Okay, so you all know that the door is definite in this sentence. So please shut the door. I can answer this question in dash R. Now again children, as you all know, R is starting with H, which is a consonant, but when we are pronouncing this word, so it is always, it gives the sound of vowel O. Okay, when we are saying R, so it is giving a sound of O, so we will write an here. Okay, now coming to the 10th sentence, Mr. Sharma is a teacher, because teacher is starting with T, which is a consonant. Dash President of India lives at dash Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now president is a definite word, so the President of India lives at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The. People from all parts of India and the world come to see Delhi. Now why are we using the word, the article the with word? Because word is a definite article. Okay. Now dash Red Fort is in Delhi. Again Red Fort is definite, so we will use the Red Fort is in Delhi. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now again east and west are definite article, because we know from many years that the sun always rises in the east and always sets in the west. 15th sentence. Ramlal is a farmer, because farmer is starting with F, which is a consonant. He has caught a thief, Thief, thief. He has caught a thief. T starting with T, that means it is a consonant, so we will use a. Dash tailor stitches garments. The tailor stitches garments. Okay, so we will use the, because it is definite, that we all know that tailor will only stitch the garments, nobody else can stitch the garments. Okay. Next is, there are 7 days in a week. एक हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं. There are 7 days in a week. W, that means consonant starting with A. Next is, there is a huge mango tree. In the 19th sentence children, there is a huge mango tree. Now huge starting with H, and it is also giving the sound of a consonant only, so we will use A. Okay, there is a huge mango tree. Now the last 20th sentence, there is an island, because island is starting with I and that is a vowel, so with a vowel we always write an island in the Arabian Sea, because Arabian Sea is a definite word. Is that clear to you all? So I hope you all have now understood the exercise C of your book, and there is no problem with you all in understanding this exercise. So I hope you will all complete it by today children. Make sure that you complete it by today, and then from tomorrow we are going to start with our notebook exercises. So till my next video children, please complete all your work of your book exercise, and then from next we will start with our notebook exercise. So till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.